Hello, today I'm in Toyota Aygo. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can change radio source, radio station. We can change radio volume. And then on the right side of the steering wheel, we've got the panel thanks to which you can accept and end calls. Behind the steering wheel, we've got the paddles to change the gear if we are in manual mode. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.